Hi guys, and Crafty Kimchi, welcome back to my channel. I am back with a Scrapaholics design team haul, and I got a lot of goodies and some new designs that I'm really excited to share. So I'm just gonna push this box aside and we're gonna go through each item. There's a lot of new shakers here, which I'm super excited about. This is the new, it's branch set 4. And I love adding these onto projects after I heat emboss them. So you see the chipboard here. They really make beautiful accent pieces, and since they're chipboard, they heat emboss so lovely. And if you are planning to create a project that lasts, you want to get behind these chipboards. So I'm just going to pull as I go. There are some new shakers here. This is the 2 shaker tags. One is shaker tag 1 and shaker tag 2. And you got the rectangle version and the circle version. So really cute set. She added some Christmas items in here, which I'm so excited about. This is the Christmas slice shaker. Really cute. And I'm just going to show you. So this is what their shakers look like. So you get the base, and then you get the layering 2 chipboard pieces to make the shaker. Then you get an acrylic piece. So this shaker is not going anywhere. This is sturdy. And then you get the layering piece on top. And then here's a little accent so you can do it in different colors. Now, if you buy through their Etsy, you will get an SVG file. So if you are you have an electronic cutting machine, this is a great way to kind of get a 2-for-1, in my opinion. I think they're great and they last forever. So we got some snowflakes here. This is small snowflakes. I love the little heart centers on these. Adorable. These are the layered wreaths. Ooh, I can't wait to create something with these. They're so cute. So you can see on here, the tail is where the layered ribbon goes. It's going to be really pretty to decorate. I love their chipboard albums. I just think they make such good sturdy bases, and they're all pre-cut for you. And this is the tag album 1. Super cute. Here's another shaker from the Christmas release. This is the wreath shaker. Oh my goodness, so cute. I love this. I asked her to make this one, so I'm glad she made it. And this is the paw print shaker. Ah, so cute. That'll be so fun to make. And then she did create a whole bunch of little embellishments. This is the mini wreaths. So we had, I think, a larger set. Where did it go? Yeah. So this is the larger one, and this is a smaller one. So same concept with the layered bows, but I think these are so cute and I can't wait to decorate them. And then there's a whole bunch of leaves in here, which I'm really excited about. This is foliage set 1. So pretty. This is winter foliage, so you got some like winter berries. So cute. Then we have pine stems. Again, screams Christmassy, winter vibes. Branch set 2. And then I asked her for some layered words, and these came out great. So this is the layered Santa words. So Santa, joy, ho, ho, ho. And then this one is the layered Xmas words. And again, you get Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and fa la la la. I really love the font and the thin layers. I mean, we love sentiments, but these are chipboards, so it'll make it really fun to decorate. This is the wing lock and key. She's challenging me to do a little, what is this called? Steampunk. Yes, steampunk. So, and just make it pretty and feminine, just like the way I like to craft. So this is the new foliage light bulbs. I love this. I think it's so beautiful. And this is steampunk light bulbs. So cute. This is the steampunk clock medley. Really cool set. Wow. This is Steampunk Medley 1 with the gears, the light bulbs, just kind of like the ink splatter. I don't know what this thing is called, but very cool. And I think this is the last of the Steampunk. Oh, no. This is the Steampunk Medley 2. So this would make a really cute layout. So fun. This one's really cool. Steampunk Cluster 1. Wow. And I wonder if this little locks, the locks will layer on top of this. Wow. This is really cool. I love the little wings and the keyhole. So unique. Okay. Back to Christmas, you guys. I wanted this one. This is like this layered sled. So fun. This is the like the layered peppermint. We've got the gingerbread. I think I had the other guy, and I wanted this one as well, so I could have a pair. We've got the shaker snow globe. I wanted this one as well. This is I think this is the apron Memdex. So fun. We got some Christmas sentiments here, and these are tiny butt chipboard. You got Christmas cheer, merry and bright, season greetings, merry, winter Christmas, halls, warm wishes. What does this say? Way, jingle bell, deck the halls. So this would be really fun for a project. And last but not least, I got the Snowflake mini album. I am obsessed with the mini albums, like I said, but this ornate snowflake is going to make such a beautiful piece, and I can't wait to craft. She also does have a line of papers, and I just want to show you this one. She sent me because she's challenging me, and I love that, Tracy. This, I think it's called the Memoirs Collection, but it is steampunk inspired. Very cool. Oh wow, this is a very beautiful print, and this is like 110 pound cardstock, you guys. But look how cool these are. Oh, I love that. Love that. And then let's see what else. It's a pretty page. You got the florals, you got the birdies, and kind of like that paint, like smudging. Oh, this is pretty. Very nice. This is the last one. Again, with the colors. I love it. It's kind of like masculine and feminine at the same time. So I love this. Thank you, Tracy, for challenging me. I will do my best to create something wonderful. I'm going to leave a link to Scrapaholics Etsy shop down below. I highly recommend all of their products, and if you get an SVG, you get a shaker, you get an SVG. So I think it's a win-win. And that is all for my video today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.